Friends, so as we discussed in a previous video, I had told that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and you can see that nothing like that happened. I told that this will be a no trade zone, so it remained a no trade zone. And below this level, I told that we have to look for selling opportunities, and we have got one also. From here till here, we have achieved easy 66 pips. But after that, in here I had told, and after that I told that in here we can see a little bit consolidation and then a down move. But I was wrong. Market proved me wrong. And above this level, you can see a good bounce came. So a small stop loss might have hit, or trail SL might have been, or trail SL might have been hit. So I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. So below this level, you can look for scalp opportunities, but chances are that you may get small targets and small SLs. And above this level only, we have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level only, we look for selling opportunities. So chances are it may consolidate in this zone for a longer period of time and then give a breakout or a breakdown. So we'll be acting accordingly. So same in Euro USD, I told that in this whole level, there are very high chances that this will, let me make it, okay. So there were very high chances that it may consolidate in here and then give a bounce. Nothing like that happened. This was a no trade zone. And below this level, I told that we can expect a good selling opportunities from here till here, and we have achieved 42 pips. And then in here, I told that we may see a good bounce. So we are seeing a similar good bounce. You can see in here, but not exactly like inverted head and shoulders type of pattern, but still we are seeing a good bounce. And after that, again, we had thought that it may consolidate here and then give a breakout, but nothing like that happened. It has again required resistance and giving us downside momentum. So I'll modify new support and resistances. Focus on new support and resistances have been modified. So below this level, you can expect a good bounce and let it come here. If it comes above this level, there are very high chances we can see a good bounce from here till here. But again, resistance comes, and above this level, you can expect a good bounce. Okay. So same in GBPUSD, I told that below this level you have to look for selling opportunities, and we got one here. You can see, and in here we had expected a good bounce from this zone. So we are expecting a good bounce from here till here. We have achieved easy 44 pips, and then from here we are seeing a good bounce also. And suddenly after bounce, we are again seeing a downside momentum. So this shows that this is a very volatile area. So it's better we'll modify certain support and resistances, and above that level only we have to take trades, and certain levels where which will be not trading. So I'll modify them. Support and resistances have been modified. So below this level, you can look for selling opportunity. Let it come here and take a resistance. Then we'll look for selling opportunities. Above this level, you can look for buying opportunities. Once it comes and gives a bullish pattern, then only we have to take trade. And above this is a confirmed full quantity buying. And in here, you can expect a good bounce and then see a selling. So it's better you take in half quantity in this whole zone, and above this zone, we'll take it full quantity. Same in Bitcoin also. We have achieved good pips from good points from here till here. We have achieved easy 2,000 points. But the problem was it has given a complete retracement. So in here, our trail SL got hit. And after that, again, we have taken a trade in here. So that trade didn't work out. Able to take in this zone. So it's better we don't take trade any and modify certain support and resistances. Then we'll decide on which side we have to take trade. New support and resistances have been modified. So this will be a no trade zone. This whole zone will be a no trade zone. Reason being, there is too much volatility in here. Above this level, you can expect a good bounce because chances are it will take support. And the thing is, on weekly basis, it is making a good support area. Reason being, see, if Bitcoin has to go, it will go continuously, but it is not going continuously. It is taking support, it is pausing, and I can show you. You can see on weekly basis, it has gone 4 weeks for selling. First week, second week, third week, fourth week. So this is the fourth week, and its end will decide that we are going to see bounce or not. In here also, we had seen a good bounce, and same happened. So Bitcoin always moves in 3 to 4 candles only. You can see first, second, and third. And in fourth, you can see the major falls whenever they came, they were in 2 weeks only, 2 to 4 weeks max. See, first week, second week only. First week, second week, third week. In this zone only that it has taken many candles. Except for that, never it was that it has taken more than 4 weeks or 3 weeks to fall. So it is not going to fall. What I think is it is the good opportunity for investment. Those who are daring to invest, they can take, or otherwise you can take above this level, 78,000. Chances are very high that you are going to get a good upside from here till here. But let's see. We have to make investment phase wise, not all money and at one go. Analysis remains same, so we can look for selling opportunity below this level. Above this level, we have to look for buying opportunities. So in gold, what we have decided, same happened. I told that in half quantity, we can look for buying opportunities. Nothing like that happened. And in this zone, after a good breakdown, I told that you can look for selling opportunities, and we got one also, but it is not giving us desired target. Reason being, it goes 50% in our direction. You can see in this whole zone, it went 50% in our direction, and they gave a good bounce. So we can expect that again, chances are we can get a good bounce from here till here. Analysis remains same, but you have to take in half quantity in this whole zone. This will be a no trade zone. Okay, and we have to trade below this level. You can look for